Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap on this icon, and here as can you see we're just logged in into 2 accounts at the same time. And just to log out from one from these accounts, you should tap here on the manage accounts on this device. And here as can you see we got these 2 accounts, and for example we want to log out from the first one. You just should tap there on this account and just tap here to remove account and confirm by click here again. And as can you see we just here say only with 1 account, and now we'll just go back into the Gmail application. We'll refresh the app. And here as can you see we will stay only with 1 account and just log out from the another one. So that's how it looks. Then if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, a comment and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.